Prepare your hands. Keep your fingers and hands conditioned for climbing with the pocket-sized Climbskin skin file. Two different textures help keep your skin smooth and strong while reducing cracks and tears. Ergonomic Design. The curved wood helps you work around the natural contours of your fingers. Easy to replace and reuse. 6 replaceable sandpapers, 3 smooth and 3 abrasive. Bring it everywhere. Bright orange cord helps you secure and keep track of the file in the gym and at the crag. Healthy hands. To continue to enjoy the thrills of climbing, it's important to take care of your hands. Climbskin has got you covered. We offer products for hand care so that you can keep climbing without a worry. Top reviews from the United States. Finger saver. I'm a high school competition climber, and I would always get huge calluses and blisters that would more often than not cut open, which was always very annoying when all your fingers are covered in tape and band-aids. After buying this file, I have yet to have any large blisters of calluses and of course no flappers. Essentially, this product is amazing.